Hey guys, it's Guy Fair from Tools and Gadgets, and today we have the Lorzor Wallet Pro. So a big shout out to Lorzor for sending us this unit. And also if you're ever interested in buying one of this, guys, my link will be posted in the description box below, and also the discount code to get 15% off from your purchase. What you're waiting for, guys, let's go ahead and unbox this. So first of all, you have the RFID protection, the slim design, and you have instant access with your card. So yeah, let's go ahead and open it. All right. So inside, guys, you have your instruction manual here. So you have a very beautiful instruction manual here on how to pair this wallet to your phone, because this has an Apple Find My feature and this is really slim, guys. So let me explain to you later, guys, on how to deal with the battery, since this is really slim. And inside you have your screwdriver here. So yeah, you have a very well-made screwdriver here. And here we have the card holder. So yeah, as you can see, guys, it has a very futuristic look in the front. So in the side, you have your card ejector here. And here at the back, you have your cash holder. So here, guys, at the bottom, as you can see, there's a help word there. So you're going to be sticking this here whenever your cards get stuck, and it will eject here on top. So that is really cool to have. So as you can see here, guys, it's really nice. You can see the internals here, and this is the power button over here. We'll be pairing this to our phone and I'll show you how it goes. All right, guys, so we have 7 cards here. So yeah, let's go ahead and try and fit this 7 cards here. There you go. So the front facing, guys, is the one with the cash. So this is the back facing. So whenever you press this here on the side, your card properly ejects in a staggered position, so you could properly choose which card you like to get and then put the rest inside again. So yeah, it is really satisfying, guys. As you can see, it staggers the card properly there, just like that. So yeah, let's go ahead and try to eject the card. So as you can see, guys, I'm really trying really hard here to eject the card, but yeah, I managed to eject just a little part there, so you can see. Yeah, so it's really holding the card really well. On the side, it has strong grips here on the side, and also here you can see your front card here. And then yeah, let's go ahead and put some cash here. So yeah, as what I mentioned before, guys, I hate my cash being folded twice because it has really hard access to it when you're gonna pay something. So yeah, the good thing about this is that you could just slip this in here on the side. So yeah, it's really convenient, guys. And whenever you want to get your cash, you go ahead and slide this in and pay somebody, and then just slide it back in, just like that. So yeah, it's really cool looking. So if you want to carry this as your EDC, guys, yeah, it's really nice. There you go. You have your cash here and you have your cards here, so it properly staggers there. So yeah, let's go ahead and pair this to our phone and we're gonna test it out. And before that, guys, I want to share to you that the battery here on this Wallet Pro, the Lorzor Wallet Pro, is not interchangeable. So yeah, let me explain to you why. Because they made this, guys, so small, so thin, that they need to integrate the batteries to the circuit. So the estimated battery life in this, guys, is around 2.5 years. And then when it runs out, you could easily email support and then you would send this to them. So you'd only pay the shipping fee, and then after that they would send you in a brand new one, which is really good, guys, for its value, for its money value. Yeah, it's really good. So this integrates in your Apple Find My, which is really good. It has a wide network. You can track this all over the world, which is really cool. All right, so yeah, let's go ahead and pair this to our phone. All right, guys, so we're now here on our phone. So yeah, let's go ahead and open the Find My here and the items. Before that, let's go ahead and press here the power button. Just long press this, guys. So as you can see, there's a red beeping LED there, so it tells you that the device is currently on right now. So yeah, let's go ahead here and under the Find My, Apple Find My, click items and hit plus. Let's go ahead and click the other item. So it's searching for items now. So as you can see here, it detects the Lorzor Wallet Pro. Let's go ahead and click connect. So yeah, phrase wallet. Let's just go ahead and put Pro there. All right, just like that. An emoji, a credit card. Yeah, let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so just click agree. So click finish, and that's that. So yeah, let's go ahead and try to play a sound. So yeah, that's really loud, guys, whenever you lose this in your couch or at home. Yeah, all right, so in here, guys, you could go ahead and click this. So if you want to show the contact information, your item location, yeah, you could do that here. So as of now, I cannot do that because the item is currently with me, but yeah, you could turn that on if ever you lose your item. So if ever somebody could find this wallet, then they could see your contact information there and they could contact you to return this wallet. So yeah, if you want to turn off the Find My features, guys, to conserve the battery, go ahead and click this 5 times really fast within the 2 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it will turn off. So as you can hear the beep, it is now switched off. But yeah, I highly recommend you turning it on since they would just replace the battery. So yeah, once again, guys, if you're interested in buying this, my link will be posted down in the description box below and also in the comments section. And there's a discount code there for 15% off, the coupon code FREY1. So yeah, what are we waiting for, guys? Click the link below and I'll see you again in our next one.